Tracking metrics, profits, and growth KPIs is what transforms an online arbitrage hustle into a scalable business. In 2026, data-driven decision-making is the key to consistent growth. When you know your numbers, you can identify what's working, eliminate inefficiencies, and scale intelligently. The first step is understanding which metrics actually matter. Too many sellers focus on sales volume alone, but revenue means nothing without profit. Your primary focus should be on 3 financial pillars: gross profit, ROI, and net margin. Gross profit measures how much money you make after subtracting your product costs and marketplace fees. ROI, or return on investment, shows how efficiently you're using your capital, how much profit you earn for every dollar invested. Net margin is your true profitability after accounting for all expenses, including tools, prep center fees, and taxes. Tracking these 3 together gives you a complete view of financial health. Next, monitor your inventory metrics. Sales velocity tells you how quickly your products sell, while sell-through rate shows what percentage of your inventory moves each month. High sales velocity means healthy demand, but if your sell-through drops, it could signal overstocking or poor product selection. Tools like SOStocked, Inventory Lab, and SellerAmp make tracking these metrics effortless. Another essential KPI is buy box percentage. On marketplaces like Amazon, most sales come from the buy box. Monitoring how often you hold it helps you evaluate your pricing strategy and performance. If your buy box share drops, it's time to review competition or repricing rules. Repricing automation tools like Aura or BeCool can help maintain competitive pricing while preserving margins. Pair them with profitability dashboards to ensure your prices still align with your ROI targets. You should also track operational efficiency. Metrics like order defect rate, late shipment rate, and return percentage directly impact your account health and long-term viability. Staying within platform thresholds ensures continued access to features like FBA and premium placements. On the growth side, measure total revenue growth rate, profit growth rate, and capital reinvestment ratio. Your reinvestment ratio, how much profit you put back into inventory, is one of the strongest indicators of scalability. Sellers who consistently reinvest a healthy percentage of profits grow exponentially faster. Don't forget customer-focused KPIs. Review ratings, average product feedback, and response time to customer inquiries. Great customer experiences lead to repeat business, better ranking, and stronger brand reputation. To simplify tracking, build a dashboard. Use Google Sheets or advanced tools like Power BI, Airtable, or Sellerboard to centralize your data. Visual dashboards turn complex metrics into clear insights, showing trends over time so you can make quick decisions. The final step is consistency. Set aside time weekly or monthly to review your KPIs. Look for patterns, products with the best ROI, categories with stable demand, and recurring inefficiencies. Then, take action to double down on what works and fix what doesn't. In 2026, online arbitrage is a numbers game, and the sellers who win are those who measure everything. By tracking your metrics, profits, and growth KPIs, you'll turn your business into a data-driven machine capable of predictable, scalable success.